Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you a very useful feature which is available in the Backendless Console that lets you choose which columns are available for any given table. Additionally, I'm going to show you how to change the order of the columns so you can pick and choose individual columns and they are going to be displayed exactly in the order that you would choose. You can see here the data screen for my demo app, and I do have two tables. One is called person, which has 9 records, and the other is called users. So here I do have more columns that can fit on the display, and for instance, some of the columns I just don't need to see. For instance, social security or owner ID or the system level columns created and updated. To hide these columns, if you click on the columns drop down and then find the columns that you don't need, you can select the ones. They're all going to be enabled by default, but if you deselect the ones that you don't need, so I disabled created, updated, owner ID, and for instance we're going to hide social security, then now everything fits on one screen. Now for instance, if I want to change the order and then name, so the name shows up as the first column, all I need to do is to find name and then drag it up to be the very first one, and it's automatically repositioned. These settings are going to be saved right here on the developer machine, so if I were to reload this page, which is what I'm going to do right now, the page is reloaded and everything that we have configured previously is displayed exactly the same way. You can do this with any table. Every single table may have its own configuration. So for instance, for users, if I were to disable, actually already disabled some of these, as you can see, they do not show up. So for instance, passwords, so we can change the passwords for the users. Or if I want to show object ID, then these show up. So every single table has its own setup. Thank you, and as always, happy coding.